In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite someone to Microsoft Whiteboard. Whether you're collaborating on a project or brainstorming with colleagues, Microsoft Whiteboard is a fantastic tool that makes remote collaboration feel seamless. Today, we're going to dive into the simple steps to invite someone to join your whiteboard, ensuring your team can work together efficiently and effortlessly. First things first, let's get started by heading to your preferred web browser. Open it up and type in Microsoft Whiteboard into the search bar. You'll see the official site pop up in the search results. Click on this link to advance to the main site. Now, once you're on the Microsoft Whiteboard landing page, look for an option that says Sign In. You'll want to click on that to begin the login process. Next, if you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might find that you're automatically signed in, which certainly speeds up the process. You'll simply click on your profile icon if you're automatically logged in. If not, don't worry. You'll just need to enter your email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. Sometimes, for added security, there may be a request for additional information or a second-step authentication. Follow these prompts to successfully sign into your account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to open up your Microsoft Whiteboard. You should see your dashboard, which will display all your current projects and whiteboards you're working on. Navigate to the specific whiteboard that you'd like to share with someone else. This will usually involve clicking on the board thumbnail or title to bring it up full screen. Once your selected whiteboard is visible, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you should see a button labeled Share. This is your gateway to inviting someone to collaborate on your whiteboard. Click on it, and you'll be greeted with sharing options. You can invite others to view or edit the whiteboard by entering their email addresses. Make sure to double-check you have the correct email addresses entered to avoid any confusion or delays. You might also notice options for setting permissions about what others can do with your board. If you're collaborating with a team, you might want them to have editing rights so they can make contributions. It's all about what suits your needs best. And there you go. You've successfully invited someone to your Microsoft Whiteboard. By following these steps, you can ensure a collaborative environment where all involved can easily share ideas and work together. Keep exploring the features of Microsoft Whiteboard, and remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.